So, good evening everyone. I'm representing Understanding Simple Annuity. A simple annuity is an annuity where the payment period and interest period are the same length. So, bale, ang simple annuity daw kay ang panahon sa pagbayad o ang panahon sa pag-ihap sa interest or sa tubo. A simple annuity is when you pay or receive money at regular intervals like monthly, yearly, etc. And the interest is also computed on the same schedule. For example, if you pay every month and interest is also calculated monthly, that's a simple interest. So, kung mubayad daw ka every month sa imuhang utang, kay ang interest daw ana, kaila apilon sa daw nila og calculate. So, mao na ang simple annuity. Example, paying your monthly loan where interest is also charged monthly. Saving in a fund where you deposit yearly and interest is compounded yearly. If the payment period and the interest period are not the same, it becomes a general annuity. So I'm gonna show you all the first formula. Percent value of a simple ordinary annuity, payments at end of each period. So this is the formula. PB is equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I. So PB is the present value of annuity. R is the periodic payment amount. I is the interest rate per period. N is the number of period. So the next formula is FB is equals to R times 1 plus I raised to the power of N minus 1 over I. So FB stands for future value, R is the regular payment amount, I the interest rate per period, and the number of periods. So the next formula is PB due is equals to R times the quantity of 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided by I times the quantity of 1 plus I. Future value of a simple annuity due payment at the beginning of each period. So I am giving you an example on how to solve simple annuity. You get 500 pesos at the end of each month for 5 years. Interest is 6% per year. Compounded monthly, what is present value today? So, I'll teach you how to solve it. Una, isubtract mo ang value sa numerator, dason i-divide mo ang result sa previous step by the denominator. Then finally, i-multiply mo ang result sa 500 para makitaan ang value ni PB. Then finally, you will get the answer. So, this is understanding simple annuity.